Welcome to the future of heavy machineries. Hi, I'm Jofo Campo from Arcon Philippines. Get ready to witness the perfect fusion of strength, precision, and innovation as we dive into the features of our cutting-edge machine. Under the hood, we've got the Cummins QSB7 Tier 3 engine inline turbocharged, a beast with 166 horsepower. For medium operation, it's 8 to 11 liter per hour and the only mere 12 to 15 liter per hour for heavy operation. It guzzles with fuel efficiency, ensuring you have the power you need when you need it. Feel the pulse with our Kawasaki 2 variable displacement pump, delivering a maximum pressure of 5,410 psi that works in harmony. Accompanied by Kawasaki main control valve and a swing motor from Japan, providing stability during those marathon operations. This is power you can rely on. Our 5,710mm boom and one-piece casted 2,915mm arm structure are not just improved, they're redefined for durability. Crafted with SCW550H material, this low carbon content steel, a high wear-proof material, is a total game changer. Seamlessly integrate with additional tools and attachment with its built-in breaker line, expanding your capabilities at a moment's notice. And check out, this 1 cubic meter steel reinforced bucket is designed to last long. Moving on to the undercarriage, the backbone of our beast, with an impressive track length of 4,440mm, a very wide chassis with 2,990mm for stability. Paired with 8 bottom rollers, this machine glides over any terrain, ensuring a solid grip even in the toughest conditions. This machine can climb a steep slope with a gradability of 35 degrees. Watch as it effortlessly conquers any terrain with ease. Step inside the ergonomic cabin. Designed with your comfort and safety in mind, it is spacious. It's your command center for seamless operation at your fingertips. The IPC system integrates mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic system, leading to high efficiency, fuel savings, and exceptional control ability. It's not just about power, it's about control. Maintenance made easy. Accessing the oil and air filter inside and outside has never been simpler. This machine also comes with very convenient and complete monitoring system, the iLink system. Watch as the machine feeds back vital parameters, allowing you to optimize performance, ensure longevity, and plan maintenance proactively. Liugong 922e, empowering heavy tasks, mastering every operation. Contact us for more information. Visit Arcon Philippines, Carrascal Branch, Surigao del Sur. Choose power, choose reliability, choose Liugong.